Hey everybody, it's June 25th, 2021. It's Friday. Going to go over some of the trades taken today. This may be the last recording I do for a while. Going to be out of town, going to do some things. Still will be trading, but not probably making trade videos. Okay, so 10 minutes into the open, I decided to take a trade. Probably wasn't the best idea because we had news coming out at 10 and the market was just kind of bouncing around a little. Thought maybe we might have a shot long here. Doing my 100 tick target, 50 tick stop loss system, and it has been going pretty well. You can see this trade just boom. So the first trade was a loser, and I decided not to take any more trades until after the 10 o'clock news came out. Okay, so after the 10 o'clock news came out, and you can see right before it came out, we suddenly had started moving down. Sometimes people will get out of their long positions before the news comes out in case there's some nasty surprises. 10 o'clock, the immediate reaction was long. It really started moving up with some strength. I was almost considering going long. And as I looked over at my 2 minute chart and I saw this area here and this, and then another little push down, pullback, I decided that I would resume this little bit of a short trend it had before the news came out. And again, had a 100 tick target on there. And you can see I moved my stop to break even about that point. And it was 100 ticks. I think I got slipped for a tick or two, but it was a 100 tick winner. All right, just about right where I got out, price started to move up pretty strongly. Um, Now I went long here, and again, if you look at my 1 minute chart, my 2 minute, you don't really see much of a signal here. You know, a lot of times with this type of indicator, people wait for these bars to turn green to at least cross over these EMAs. But price, and of course, by extension, the 5 range chart, which is a very fast chart, will often show the direction and the price patterns before you get any of the lagging minute charts or any of that. So I went kind of with what I was seeing on my 5 range and went long. I'm just scrolling through this to give you a little idea. And when we got up to here, I wasn't sure price could kick back and start going back short, so I did move my stop to break even. A lot of times in these 100 tick targets, I don't like to move to break even, but since I entered way before any new trend had been really established, I thought it was a good idea. And then price got into a little bit of a range here for quite a while, for a good 10 minutes or so. And I was really tempted to take profit at like 50 ticks, like in the old days. But to make this system work and to really gather the statistics, which I have been the last few months, you really got to kind of just be patient. And then it suddenly takes off around 10:26 or so, and it's a full 100 tick winner. Okay, about 10:40, price had pulled back, and it pulled back to this area that I thought, well, it was looking like it was about to bounce. I thought I'd give it one more shot, so I re-entered long, and this one got up over 54 ticks, and I thought maybe it could work its way through here. Probably wouldn't have been a bad idea at this time of the day, and being Friday. A lot of people don't commit to a position on Friday because they don't know what's going to happen over the weekend in the world. Some things can happen, so you don't always get that follow through. You don't have that trader commitment always. So probably should have taken just a 50 55 tick profit there, but I didn't, and watched it for a while. I got a little antsy, put my stop here at break even, and broke even, and it would have kept going down, so I would have lost the trade. So I decided to stop at that point, but overall a pretty decent day. And just to comment that, you know, this system is working pretty well for me, because you can lose several times in a row, and then a couple of 100 tick winners just really pops you right back into being in the profit for the week or whatever. So very, very happy with it. Anyhow, that's it. And like I said, probably won't be making any videos for a while. But hope everybody does well and has a great weekend.